Here's a demonstration of the Proton remote. It's model AS300R. Here's the Proton system. We're playing a CD. I'll give it some more volume. And lower the volume. And then I'll switch it over to the tuner. And switch it to a different. Give it volume.
Turns out being the best matchup that we could have possibly asked for.
And volume down. Then we'll switch it over to the tape. And if I could play the tape on here, let's see. Here we go. So it works great. One tiny piece of tape on there keeping the cover on, but it's great. Volume again.